The lethal Overo. In the world of horses exists a huge community who is fanatic of the paint horses. The colorful fur are one of the most coveted, and that's the reason why the breeders of these specimens search to obtain the most possible quantity of paint fur horses. But to achieve it, they have a strict breeding control into the farm, and sometimes results difficult to reach the objectives. All of us may think that to obtain a paint horse for sure may be as easy as to cross a paint mare with a paint horse, and in theory that's right, but in practice that's not at all true. You could have a huge problem, the lethal white Overo syndrome. In paint horses exists a gene called frame Overo. This is the main gene which is responsible for horse painting with the Overo pattern. The Overo pattern is when the white spot goes up from cannon over the barrel until the back but never crosses it, and almost every Overo has white face. Then, when two Overo horses cross themselves, the colt inherits the gene of Overo frame, which will make it a white horse with blue eyes, in place of a paint horse. The main problem appears during gestation of colt. Digestive system not grows properly and at born time cannot process milk nor milk of mare, which causes the death. That's why it's very important to take care of never cross two Overos, because at least 25% of all horses with both Overo parents will die 24 hours after birth. If we want a paint horse, it's necessary to use only a paint parent, and the other is recommended to be a solid layer horse. This guarantees a 50% of possibility to obtain a paint horse and a 50% to obtain a solid color. However, in this cross there is no risk of death by the lethal gene. The Overo lethal white syndrome, OLWS, also known as ileocholic ganglionosis, is a genetic mutation which affects white horses coming from the result of Overo frame and another paint horse. It is a recessive hereditary genetic disease. Causes the absence of ganglia in the small intestine, resulting in lack of melanin production, which results in the absence of color. This syndrome is common in quarter horse, American paint horse, Arabian, even in thoroughbred horses, but above all, it is common in ponies. These horses will have narrow intestines or even will have missing parts of minor colon, so they will not be able to digest any food. Any horse with this syndrome after birth will have a completely normal behavior of a healthy animal. The change in their behavior will come into the next 24 hours after birth. The horse will present symptoms of pain and anxiety, such as higher heart rate, higher breathing rate, bleeding when swallowed, scratch, and it is going to lie down and up many times. Over time, after some hours, we will see a horse with a huge abdominal distension. That means it will have inflamed stomach caused by impossibility to accomplish the expulsion of the first feces. The diagnostic of this syndrome is easy, because always when there was a cross of two Overo horses which presents this defective gene, and as a result we obtain a horse with entirely white lion color and blue eyes, is almost sure that it is suffering the syndrome. Important! Not all white horses have to suffer this mutation. If it is not the result of cross to Overo with the defective gene present, the horse can be solid white and not to suffer the syndrome, since it does not have the affected gene and there will not suffer any mutation. It is important to prevent this syndrome since it does not have treatment or cure, albeit that, helping it with some medicine and veterinary interventions, the horse will live a couple of days. But at the end it will die due to atresia of the last part in the intestine, or it will be asleep because there is no possible solution to this. Finally, as it is a disease without curative treatment, where the only solution is to put them to sleep, it is very important for you to remember that you never have to cross two Overo or paint horses, since even if a paint horse does not present the Overo pattern, it can be gene carrier in a recessive way. If you like our videos and all related with horses, we invite you to join our horse community, which actually is made up of more than 5,000 fanatics of horses in the Spanish version, which see us worldwide. To take part of this, you only need to subscribe this channel and never lose any of our videos. If you want to know more about other horse breeds, or if you are looking for specific information about any other, we recommend you to visit our channel. There will be more videos in the future talking about other world common breeds. If you don't find any video about you are looking for, leave a comment here and as soon as possible we will make one about that. Remember that if you have some to add to this topic, you can do it in the comment section. If you have some questions, you can leave it on there too, and our team or someone from our community will answer you as soon as possible. If you like this video, leave it down below to realize that you like this content. Del Cerro Soy, knowledge and entertainment.